NHIF. Thank you. My name is Valentine Morogo. I work with NHIF. I serve as the Regional Manager, Western and Nyanza Province. And today we are here on behalf of the CEO of NHIF here at Marani Sub-County. It's a day that the Ministry of Social Security has arranged that we celebrate the elderly in the society. And it's an international celebration, and we are happy as NHIF to be part of this celebration. Thank you. My name is Valentine Morogo. I work with NHIF. I serve as the Regional Manager, Western and Nyanza Province. And today we are here on behalf of the CEO of NHIF here at Marani Sub-County. It's a day that the Ministry of Social Security has arranged that we celebrate the elderly in the society. And it's an international celebration, and we are happy as NHIF to be part of this celebration as the health insurer, whereby as NHIF we've covered the old persons and the elderly for this cover. In this Kisii County, we have 1,191 who are covered under this program, and also those total covered under the health insurance subsidy program in this county is 4,283. And I just want to speak to the people of Marani Sub-County that we are welcome to our table to be able to register biometrically, because at the moment for you to access service in our healthcare providers, you're supposed to be identified through the fingerprints, and therefore we welcome all of them to be able to come to our table and register biometrically, and also get educated about how to access services in our hospitals, in the hospitals that we have empaneled. So we also want to talk to those who are not under this program that they can register on their own by paying 500 shillings per family. This 500 shillings covers one household, that is a contributor, spouse, and all the children who are under 18 years. Secondly, I want to mention that after paying the 500 shillings, you are able to access services from all accredited healthcare providers within the county and even outside the county. And this covers everything: outpatient, inpatient, and oncology, and many other services. So for more information, we welcome anyone with any question to be able to visit our desk, to also visit our offices. We have an office in Kisii town, whereby you are able to visit and you'll be assisted. We also have Huduma centers. You can also access services through our USSD platform, *155#. So thank you.